What is going on, YouTube? Color Comic here today, back with another episode. I'm your host, Forrest, and today we're going to be drawing one of my favorite characters from SpongeBob. That's right, the evil little mastermind himself, Plankton. So if you like what you see in this video, feel free to like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Then you guys will continue to get to see really cool artwork from me, and hopefully you can learn how to do some of this stuff on your own so you can show your friends. So without further ado, let's get to it. So what we're gonna end up drawing first will be his eyeball, and that'll give us a good area to start and then work his body around that starting point. For his eyeball, we're gonna start with a big circle, and he has a big U-shaped eyebrow above that. And then we'll move into his eyebrow. One big round line for the front part of his body. So his arms are going to be one giant line with a little rounded top. And then from this base, we're going to bring another straight line all the way back down here. Then we'll just give him a square little thumb. Then we'll do his first leg. The second leg, which will lead into the back part of his body. Leave a space open for this arm. Now we'll finish rounding out the rest of his body here, but we're going to draw in this other arm so we know why we leave this space. So Plankton does have antennae, obviously, on the top of his head. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go way out for the first one. Then we're gonna connect this line to this line here in a nice rounded shape to finish out the rest of his body. And then we do his other antenna, which we will put coming out of the back of his head. So straight up, straight back down. He does have these little rectangles. And we'll do 4 more on the other side. Now it is time to do his mouth, and then after that, we can go in and start coloring it, and then we'll make these lines nice and thick. So his mouth, the 2 corners, we're gonna have little U shapes for his cheeks. One there. One there. Then you're gonna connect those with another big U shape down here. Then one sweeping U shape as well. Then we do his teeth. Bottom row, top row, and his tongue. And then we fill in his little teeth. Grab a nice base green color, which I have all my greens right over here. His whole body's gonna be one green color. All right, everybody, and we are pretty much done. Give him a little extra thick line there. All right, little fun thing that I do when I'm using my markers is if you use grays and you can put it around the outside, really makes it pop. Alrighty, everybody, I appreciate you sticking around to the end of the video. I am out. Thanks again for coming in, and I will see you in the next video.